me? Girl, you don't wanna compete. I'm too fast on my feet, and you know where I be. Making you mad is my specialty. The petty queen, I need you to have a seat.
Okay, so I started this video off with a little slow-mo, but I thought I would do a little voiceover in the beginning because I just realized it'd be weird if I actually said nothing. So basically right now all I'm gonna do is a little mini tutorial. As you can see, I already did the other half of my hair because I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out, but once I realized it was turning out pretty good, I decided to record the rest of it so that you guys could see the process. So just join me. Oh, almost burned myself, but well, I did burn myself, but enjoy me curling my hair. Okay, me.
Okay, hey, what's up you guys? I'm back at it again with another motherfucking video, bitch. Hi. So basically I just did a little tutorial on this hairstyle. Not really, I didn't really want to do like the full thing just in case it turned out bad and I didn't want to like embarrass myself. So I did this, like, I wanted like soft like waves and it came out exactly like how I imagined, like, you know, fresh braid out type vibes. It's so shiny. Like, who is she giving you? Like, she's so shiny. I don't know what it looks like from the back, so I'm not going to show you because, you know, it might not be cute from the back. But, you know, got a little baby hair. You know, I should probably lighten that a little bit, but I ain't going to do it because I'm too lazy. But, you know, we going to get there. We going to get there. So now I'm doing my little wig review. And the hair company is Victoriaswig. So their wigs come in these little cute boxes and you know, it came packaged all nice, and I just took it out and I didn't feel like waiting, so yeah. So okay, so anyways, so basically the wig came with a band, which was just perfect, and it makes it fit so much better than it would without the band. I honestly don't know what I would do if I didn't have the band. It also comes with adjustable, you know, straps, which makes it even better. And also, to me, this wig has like the perfect amount of hair on it. Like, I didn't even know that I love a lot of hair, so let me not say that, but I like, you know, this natural look, which is what I'm gonna call it, like a natural hair look. Like, it's my hair, like not too thick, not too thin. And I feel like for someone who doesn't really wear wigs, this would be a good wig for you. Also, if you want to get this wig for back to school or just in general, check out my code Brooke12 and you'll be able to get $12 off. You're welcome. I think this wig is Winnie in the 18-inch. And oh yeah, let me tell you guys, so this wig did not come this color. It comes like the natural dark color, but I personally don't look good in black hair, so I went ahead and colored the wig a nice natural brown. As you can see, I wanted this color, like this natural brown look. And how I got this color looks super simple, which is why I didn't record it. Basically, all you do is put what is that called? You put developer all over the wig, like the whole entire wig. I put 40 volume developer all over the wig and left it on there for like an hour or so, and it turns into this brown color. And you might not think it's gonna be the color, but it literally turns into like this nice like chocolate brown, which is what I wanted, because I wanted my hair to be dark, but I didn't want it to be dark, because that just doesn't look good on me. And also, another thing I want to say about this hair, this is the softest hair I've ever had, I swear, my whole entire life. Like, this is the softest hair I've ever had, like hands down, the softest hair I have ever had. And you can tell that it's soft and good hair. Like, bitch, I don't have to tell you, because you can fucking tell. Like, look at this shit. It's so shiny. Like, bitch, it looks like it's giving me real hair realness. Like, it's giving me the vibes. Also, another thing about this hair is it did come with like a fake scalp, which I did cut it out because I wanted to be able to bleach the knots. And I would say the knots bleached like just fine or whatever. But I feel like the fake scalp would look good if you're too lazy to bleach the knots, and I would say go ahead and leave the fake scalp. But for me personally, I cut it out because I just didn't know what it was, and I was confused, because I was like, either way I have to bleach the knots like right here, and I was like, I don't know if the bleach will go through it. So I didn't want to take the risk, so I just cut it off, and it was really easy to cut it off. Also, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, the frontal comes like super thick, so there's a lot of hair on the frontal. And if you're too lazy, you don't feel like sitting there plucking through it, I would say you can get away with it if you really press it like really good. You should be able to like get it like nice and flat, or you can just like curl it, and then it doesn't matter if the frontal is thick or not. And then make sure you plug the front. That's really all you have to do. Is like, it doesn't really matter if the frontal is thick, because if anything, that's a good thing, because it will last longer. But for me, I had my friend pluck it because I can't pluck frontals, and it's just something I cannot do, something I will never be able to. Maybe one day I'll be able to do, but for right now I cannot do it. Wigs are not my thing. Like, I usually wear bangs and curly hair, so yeah, that's really all I have to say about this hair. Like, I love this hair. It's so soft. And like, even after like, okay, I put it in like a bag like after I wore it for like a week, and it got like a little yucky, and I was all concerned. But then like, I washed it and conditioned it, and it went back to how it was when I opened it out the package, like exactly the same. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. I would say just get it, because it's bomb. Like, it's so soft. Like, and when it's straightened, like, oh my god, like, girl, I was like, who is Brittany? Like, I am Brittany. Like, it was so silky, and like, you couldn't tell me nothing, because I was over there swinging. Like, it was just everything. Like, the straight hair is everything. This hair is everything. And I think it's Winnie. If it's not, I'll link it. I'm gonna link it down below regardless if I'm saying the wrong name or not. But check out Victoria's wigs, because their wigs are bomb. Definitely worth the money, like 100%. Like I don't know why this isn't more like popular or whatever, but don't be sleep on it. Don't be sleep. You know, your girl just introduced you. Don't be sleep on it. Period. Period. Don't be sleep. Okay, boo. You're welcome. You know, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, every time I talk to somebody, I'm like, touch my hair, touch my hair, touch my hair, because you know, it feels so good. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video and my review on this wig, be sure to comment down below, like this video for more content. I'm going to be coming back with another hair review, so I'm just trying to stir them all out, because I want to start wearing my natural hair, and I'm going to do some natural hair videos. But before then, I'm going to review all these wiggies. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm done. Bye. Hose.